Somewhere in this room is a button. Oh yeah, right here. Each room getting harder and harder to progress.
Oh my.
Which means this video is 100% not going to be easy.
Do not mess up any of these jumps. No! Luckily, we respawn. We cannot mess up any more of these jumps. It's going to be the hardest jump. Oh. Please, no! The last jump.
Plus, later on in the video, I meet someone I 100% don't want to meet.
This one, yes! Can we reach that button? There we go. Alright, a bit of ice parkour. Now this looks easy, but it certainly isn't. Let me just like... Oh, that kind of worked. It's so like slippery. I can't... Oh my... Yeah, I think taking it slowly is probably the best bet. Please. Don't even have to make that jump, I can just press that button. This one looks a bit easier to be fair. Where the hell is this button? Oh, that, perfect. I could have sworn modern art. What the hell is this?
Although it may look like I'm flying through these rooms, it will certainly get a lot harder from here.
Oh, that was literally straight away. Yeah, this one has to be easy surely, is it? Up here maybe? I don't know. Okay, this one's actually... Oh, it's going to be a bit harder. No. Maybe it's trying to like blend in with the bed, but doesn't look like it. Maybe behind a painting.
This one was the hardest one so far.
It's on top of that, no. Oh, it's up there. Do not break the paintings. There's already a lot of paintings destroyed.
Yeah, the map here was kind of broken, so this was not hard at all.
Oh, I think I think this one's a bit broken. So we just have to try and click all these buttons and just see which one is the right one. Oh, that one. Oh, no.
Yep, that's right. Iron bar parkour.
Iron bar parkour is a lot harder than it looks. However, wait, can we jump for it? Oh, we landed on it. I didn't mean to do that. Oh no, not a maze. I'm terrible at these. Please don't be a dead end. Please don't be a dead end. Oh, we got this straight away.
Yeah, even if you're awful at mazes, this was very easy for some reason.
You can tell that some of these are pretty easy and some of them are quite hard. It wasn't really much of a maze that, it was just sort of like a path. This one is... Oh no, don't die. Right, and that's the other one. Is this just parkour again? No, I can't. Oh, I can't sprint. Okay, when we actually can sprint, this is... Oh, it's getting hard, yep. Oh, no, actually, we got that. Can we get... No. This has to be the hardest one so far. Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, I actually want to die.
I was 100% struggling with this one.
Yes.
Okay. Got my sub from here. Is this a checkpoint?
Better be.
I think so. Blast parkour. I don't think I've ever done this in my life. No! Piston parkour.
Did we actually seriously have to go that fast?
You can't. There's no way I can go that fast. And the checkpoints. Okay, I have to go. Oh, God. Oh no, wait, there's a checkpoint here. Oh, thank God for that. Go. 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 No! Yes. Yes. Yes! Alright, we're in the jungle. Okay. These are the ones that just seem easy, but might be harder. But it looks like I'll probably have to go on top of these trees, since it's probably not just going to be in plain sight. In these trees, maybe? I've literally looked everywhere. Where is this button? Or am I just... Oh, it might be on the wall, actually. I'm just sort of like trying to hide. This is quite confusing. Oh! How have I missed that? What the... These are the most 2015 Minecraft skins I've ever seen. What the... Okay, so I think I have to go up here like this. Okay, this is pretty easy. Jump on there, and then... Yeah, this might be... Yeah, I was about to say this might be the easiest one, but maybe not. Okay. Jump for it. Yes. Oh, is this another maze? Okay. The other maze was pretty easy. Shall I open all the trapdoors? Maybe that's... Good idea. What's down there? Oh! Oh, it's like that other one. No! Oh, you're taking the no, I can get back. No, I may just die. How can I not do this first jump? Right, there we go. What the? There's no way that jump is possible. I refuse to believe that that jump is actually possible. Maybe I have to... Okay, maybe I have to do a bit of like momentum. So I like don't stop. Oh, okay, no, I think that's the way there. Oh, so close. Oh, oh. No, I made it and then jump. No. Okay, but okay. As I was saying, getting the momentum is 100% a good idea. Yes. Okay, next one. Yes. Yes. All right. Well, I can't mess up. Yeah. Go for that. What? Oh, what the? What? What is this? Yellow takes you back. Green takes you here. Green again. Okay, so does blue take you back as well? Yeah, blue takes. So it's green. No. It's green. No, it's just green, red, blue, yellow. No, what? Green, red, blue, green. No. Green, red, blue, red. Yes? Green, red, blue, red, yellow. Surely. Oh no. Oh, we got it. We got it first try. Let's jump. You know what? We're gonna speedrun this. Here we go. Easy stuff. Okay. Wait, can I just run across that? Okay. That's probably not how you're supposed to do it, but well. Go across here and then run forward. Okay. Oh, it's a head here as well. Can I? Oh, can I make it not? Okay, now I can. Let's go on here. That's fence parkour. Easy stuff. This. As I was saying, this is pretty easy stuff. No. What am I doing? Oh, okay. Next checkpoint. Oh, I have to actually do a head hitter. Okay, another head hitter. Okay, not too hard though. Wait, what's that for? Can I just what? Oh, that's. Oh no, that was start. Okay. Go. Oh no. Go up here, and then no. No. Well, there's checkpoints. There's checkpoints. What the?